There's expected clean, and then there's clean like you've never seen. That's Awesome takes clean to the next level. Grout stains are as good as gone with That's Awesome Tile and Grout Cleaner.
We use it because it works. It also meets our company's environmental policies.
Where I am here, I've got an EnviroCycle, so it's a very sensitive system to treat the dirty water and sewage waste, and you can't put anything down there that would kill any of the bugs or anything. So it's great to find a product that's very safe.
One look at the results, and you'll know why for over 20 years customers have trusted That's Awesome to care for a variety of dirty surfaces. Go beyond what you thought was possible with our full range of cleaning products. That's Awesome. Next level clean.